Hey Lagos, your favorite Mercedes mechanic is here, Stella Mech, and we are here to talk about something we all struggle with behind the wheel, which is distractions. See this mirror? It's more than a shiny accessory. It's your window to the world around you, your early warning system for trouble. But if you are not looking at it, then it's useless. I am not going to lie, we've seen the aftermath of accidents, and trust me, a lot of them could have been avoided with a simple glance in the mirror. And that's just one distraction. Our phones, the radio, that juicy suya you're snacking on, and even some of us men, we don't just take a look on girls, yash. Some guys will keep turning their heads till they can't see the girl anymore. You see, all these things are just competing for your attention. And when your attention is divided, you're not just putting yourself at risk, you are putting everyone else on the road at risk too. I want you to understand this. A recent study found that drivers spend almost 18% of their time behind the wheel, not looking at the road. That's like driving from Ikeja to Lekki with your eyes closed. Isn't that crazy? These seconds you spend checking your phone, changing the radio station, fiddling with your GPS, or checking that girl out.
My attention wire. God,
that's when accidents happen. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a robot, but here's the Stella Mech philosophy. You have to stay focused. You need to make checking your mirrors a habit. You must keep your eyes scanning the road ahead, always anticipating what other drivers might do. Remember, every other driver on the road is insane. You are the only driver with his right senses. Never forget that. And for the love of your car, put the phone down while driving. There is no text or Instagram post worth risking your life over. Oh, that's bomb bomb. At Stella Mech, we are passionate about cars, especially luxury cars, but we are even more passionate about keeping you safe on the road. So next time you are cruising through Lagos, remember, focus on the road and let distractions wait. You will see another bomb bomb where you're headed to. I assure you that. And also, don't forget to like this video and share this video if you find it helpful. Share your thoughts about this in the comments and follow us for more content like this. Until next time, keep your eyes off that girl's bomb bomb and drive safe, my brother. Peace.